Hi all, welcome to Pantechelearning. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. So to blur the image, we have to just read all that particular image as input, and within that we'll be providing a FS special. So here I'm going to provide first all the commands. So now I'm going to read an image. I am read within bracket respective image name. So here I'm going to take one.jpg. I'm going to give another one variable and fs special. F special, it is nothing but function special. So within this function only, here we have some sort of applications like Gaussian, motion, Sobel. So there are many functions. Here first we have to provide that particular kind of function, and from that here we have to provide the required radius. Okay, so that is that complete section used inside the function. So now I'm taking the particular section as disk. So this is one type of blur, and the radius I'm going to provide it is like first we can start with 2, then we can change the radius, and these two particular data whatever we have taken, it should be combined at some place. So here I am taking the filter over here, filter. So here I am going to apply those two variables, and finally by using I am sure I'm going to display it. So where that particular filter is applied, there only here we can see this image. So first I have to save. So for 2 radius, this is not that much blurred over here. Let us change into 5. Yeah, some smoothing has happened. Let me provide the 7. So some more, the image has been smoothened. I'm providing 9. Yeah, now I'm able to see whenever I remove my specs, it is almost like this. What happens if you provide in double digit? It is taking too much time to process that. And here, what will be the maximum? So to take the radius of 255, it is taking too much time. So this method, it is known as disk type of blurring, and this is the fully blurred image over here when I have applied the 255. And definitely 255 is not the starting of blurring. I think before itself it might have started in this particular process. Okay, so now let us try to change this type of blur. We can type Gaussian blur, and I will provide 5 itself. Yeah, now this is looking normal. So here disk. So for this particular disk, I am providing the basic as 2, and therefore only slight smoothing is there. For 5, this will be the smoothing. I give for 19, this will be the smoothing. For 255, this will be the smoothing. So for 255, it takes a lot of time as I have given more number of iterations for blurring. Yeah, still it has not displayed because it takes more time. So this is the output of 255. So this is the maximum range. Even more than this also can be provided. So let me reduce into 100. Yeah, so here I am able to see some things. While compared to the 100 and 255, 100 is better. I'm reducing it to 50. Yeah, far better. So 19 and 20, 19 or 20, it will be like this. If I am reducing it to 5, so this will be a normal smoothing, and if I am providing it to 2, this will be that original smoothened image. Now similar to this, I can change it to Gaussian, which is another type of blur, and I am providing the radius of 50. Okay, so here I would like to take Privet as one of my blur. So for Gaussian, it doesn't take place with any of the changes. So this is another type of technique. Whereas if I want to go with Gaussian, means I have to provide the H size. H size, it is nothing but known as the image size or that particular pixel size, and also the sigma value. So like that, total 3 parameters must be there, and this is known as the Gaussian blur. This is one sort of application. So here I am reducing the H size. Let the sigma value be the same, and therefore the smoothen has been reduced. Let me provide both H size and sigma value as same. Yeah. What happens if the sigma value is 100? Okay, so that blurriness, only slight changes are there if the sigma values is changed. Whereas if that H size parameter is being changed, means there will be a drastic change over here. So this this is the way here we have to apply it for Gaussian blur. So image blurring and deblurring, it completely gets only on this basis. Now let us try with an blurred image. Okay, so for that, here I am going to take the same thing. I am right. I am going to save that particular image, and from that image itself, I am going to upload it. Okay, so bl.jpg is ready. Now I am erasing this. So here I'm going to provide it as 1 on the sigma of 10. What happens to this particular image? So therefore, whatever the image that has been stored in that particular range, that only it will be displaying. Let me change this into disk, comma 2. So this will be the same way of setting inside that particular section. So by this, we came to know that this set of code, it is used to blur the image only. So how to deblur a particular kind of image, that thing only now we are going to see. So now whatever we have applied, it is for a normal kind of section. So inside this particular kind of function itself, we have one more example from this MATLAB. So now we are going to apply the deblur. So this particular deblur will be applied for the purpose of removing that particular kind of blur section. For that, here I am going to take the same kind of image which is known as cameraman.tiff. So here the original image will be provided, and here we are providing some of the filters for blurring that particular image, the same F special, but in a different kind of section known as motion blur. So from that, here we are going to apply the restoration by using convolution. Convolution in the presence of winner image deblurring method. So by using that particular section only, here we are going to apply. So is this is applicable for the previous one also? Means yes, it is possible. So how means, just we require this particular WNR1 command. So we have to change that particular variables whatever we have provided. So here for C, D. Okay, since we have applied the Gaussian blur, it will be in this state. In case if you are going with the same motion blur, means we will be able to receive the same kind of output. Okay, so now let us run this particular section. So here, this is nothing but the blurred image over here. Now that particular blurred image has been restored. So like if you are using this particular blur section for motion, means this is the function for removing the blur. Okay, so due to that MathWorks problem, I am not able to access the function named len over here because it is defaultly available over here in the variable. Yeah, so MathWorks is not allowing that particular sections inside this example part. Okay, so in this way only I will be able to just show the simulation blur. So for the simulation blur, you can go with this particular command. So this will be the command which we can use to open the deblurring option inside the MathWorks. I will post this command in the chat. You guys can try it. There are many permissions which we have to convert over here to get any of the some functions from MathWorks. So once again, I will explain this part. So here I am going to simulate a motion blur section. First, the image will be read in the form of double data. So from that, whatever the image we are just taking, therefore it should be converted into the length across the pixels according to the degree. Okay, so for that, length as well as degree is taken. So this is in case of motion blur, we need the length as well as degree, like which we have seen for Gaussian one, which required the h size as well as sigma. The same way only the motion also will be working. So therefore this particular motion section here we are applying it, and by using the IM filter we are calling this particular motion section convolution and circular mode. So this kinds of mode, it is defaultly available through this particular MathWorks package. So from here we are just displaying the blurred image. Now by using the deconvolution section, which is known as Weiner image deblurring technique. So by providing that particular application, here we are removing that particular blurred section, and therefore the image is being restored. Thank you for watching our video. If you like this video, kindly click on the like button and share the video to your friends. Don't forget to subscribe our channel.